Greetings, fellow explorers. Today, we embark on a remarkable journey through time as we unveil the top 10 world's oldest living animals. These extraordinary creatures have witnessed the passage of centuries and hold the secrets to longevity that continue to baffle scientists. From ancient reptiles to resilient marine species, join me as we discover the awe-inspiring tales of these living marvels. Welcome to the Robot Ray Channel. Animal number 10. The albatross. The albatross is renowned as one of the world's oldest living animals, with a lifespan that astonishes scientists and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Among the various species of albatross, the Wandering Albatross, Diomedea excellens, holds the record for longevity, with individuals known to live for over 50 years. These majestic seabirds spend the majority of their lives in flight, covering vast distances across the open ocean. The Wandering Albatross, characterized by its impressive wingspan of up to 11 feet, navigates the skies with unparalleled grace, relying on air currents to cover thousands of miles in search of food. The longevity of albatrosses is particularly remarkable considering the challenges they face in their environment. These birds have adapted to a nomadic lifestyle, traversing the Southern Ocean for much of their lives. Despite their resilience in the wild, albatross populations are threatened by various human-induced factors, including overfishing, habitat destruction, and plastic pollution. Efforts to conserve these remarkable creatures involve addressing these anthropogenic threats and protecting their nesting sites on remote islands, ensuring that the albatross can continue to soar across the world's oceans for generations to come. Animal number 9. Gooey Duck. The Gooey Duck, pronounced Gooey Duck, holds the title of one of the world's oldest living animals, renowned for its impressive lifespan and unique characteristics. This long-lived bivalve mollusk, scientifically known as Panopia generosa, is found along the Pacific Northwest coast of North America. Geoducks are famous for their exceptionally long siphons, which can extend up to 3 feet in length, and their remarkable ability to live for well over a century. Some individuals have been reported to reach ages of 100 years or more, making them one of the longest living animals on Earth. Geoducks are highly prized in the culinary world for their sweet and succulent meat, and they have become a sought-after delicacy in various cuisines. Despite their longevity, gooey duck populations face threats from overharvesting and habitat degradation. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the sustainable management of gooey duck populations, balancing the demand for this unique seafood with the need to preserve the longevity and ecological role of these fascinating creatures in the marine ecosystem. Animal number 8. Red Sea Urchin. The red sea urchin, Mesocentrodus franciscanus, claims its place among the world's oldest living animals, demonstrating remarkable longevity in the marine realm. Inhabiting the cold waters of the Pacific Ocean along the North American coast, particularly from Alaska to Baja California, these echinoderms can live for more than a century. The red sea urchin's lifespan, exceeding 100 years in some instances, is noteworthy considering its relatively sedentary lifestyle on the ocean floor. These sea urchins are characterized by their vibrant red or purple spiky shells and play a vital ecological role in marine ecosystems. Beyond their ecological significance, red sea urchins are commercially important, especially for their roe, known as uni, a prized delicacy in Japanese cuisine. However, overharvesting has posed a significant threat to their populations, prompting concerns about the sustainability of this industry. Conservation measures, including quotas and habitat protection, are essential to ensure the continued existence of these long-lived marine organisms and maintain the ecological balance of the underwater ecosystems they inhabit. Animal number 7. Tuatara. The tuatara, a unique reptile native to New Zealand, stands out as one of the world's oldest living animals, showcasing an evolutionary lineage that dates back over 200 million years. Despite resembling a lizard, tuataras belong to a distinct order known as Rhynchocephalia, and they are the last surviving members of this ancient group. Renowned for their remarkable longevity, tuataras can live for more than a century, with some individuals reported to reach 150 years or more. These reptiles exhibit slow growth rates and delayed sexual maturity, contributing to their impressive lifespan. Tuataras are often referred to as living fossils, as they have retained many primitive features that have disappeared in other reptilian lineages. With a unique third eye on the top of their head, a pronounced crest along their back, and a specialized dentition, tuaras provide valuable insights into the evolutionary history of reptiles. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these living relics, as tuatara populations face threats from introduced predators and habitat changes. Preserving their habitats and implementing conservation measures are essential to ensuring the continued survival of this ancient and intriguing species. Animal number 6. Bowhead Whale. The bowhead whale, Balena mysticetus, holds the distinction of being one of the world's oldest living animals, with a lifespan that surpasses that of many other marine mammals. These massive whales, found in the Arctic and subarctic regions, are renowned for their robust health and longevity, with some individuals living over 200 years. Scientists have determined the age of bowhead whales by analyzing earplugs composed of layers of wax and lipids, providing a unique glimpse into their long and storied lives. Their thick blubber, which can be up to 2 feet thick, helps them navigate icy Arctic waters and contributes to their ability to endure the challenges of their harsh environment. Bowhead whales are characterized by their massive, bow-shaped heads, which make up about 1/3 of their body length. These gentle giants are baleen whales, primarily filter feeders that consume small invertebrates like zooplankton and copepods. Despite their impressive longevity, bowhead whales have faced historical threats from commercial whaling. Conservation efforts and international agreements have contributed to the gradual recovery of their populations, emphasizing the importance of ongoing measures to protect these ancient and majestic creatures. Animal number 5. Giant Tortoise. The giant tortoise, iconic inhabitants of the Galapagos Islands and certain other archipelagos, stands out as one of the world's oldest living animals. These remarkable reptiles have achieved impressive lifespans, with some individuals documented to live well over 100 years. The Aldabra giant tortoise, native to the Aldabra Atoll in Seychelles, holds the record for one of the longest lifespans among these tortoises, with some individuals reported to reach 150 years or more. Their slow growth rate, delayed sexual maturity, and prolonged lifespan contribute to their unique ecological role and captivating longevity. Giant tortoises have become emblematic of the conservation efforts aimed at preserving biodiversity on the islands they inhabit. Due to their vulnerability to habitat destruction, invasive species, and overexploitation by humans, several species of giant tortoises have faced endangerment. Conservation programs and protective measures have been implemented to safeguard these ancient reptiles, emphasizing the crucial role they play in maintaining the ecological balance of their island habitats. Animal number 4. Greenland Shark. The Greenland shark, Somniosus microcephalus, is a mysterious and enigmatic deep-sea dweller that claims the title of one of the world's oldest living animals. These cold water sharks, inhabiting the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans, have astounded scientists with their longevity. Researchers estimate that some Greenland sharks can live for several centuries, with the oldest individuals potentially exceeding 400 years. Determining their age is a challenging task. Scientists rely on radiocarbon dating of crystallized proteins in the lenses of the shark's eyes, providing a unique glimpse into their extended lifespans. Greenland sharks are well adapted to their harsh, frigid environments and have a slow growth rate, late maturation, and low reproductive output. They primarily feed on fish and marine mammals, making them apex predators in their deep-sea habitats. Despite their longevity, these sharks face threats from bycatch in fisheries and habitat alterations due to climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to better understand and protect these ancient creatures, highlighting the need to preserve the delicate balance of the Arctic and North Atlantic ecosystems they call home. Animal number 3. Ocean Quahog. The ocean quahog, Arctica islandica, stands out as one of the world's oldest living animals, with a remarkable ability to endure the test of time. These bivalve mollusks, found in the North Atlantic Ocean, have amazed scientists with their extraordinary lifespans. The longevity of ocean quahogs is determined by counting growth rings in their shells, much like the rings of a tree. Some individuals have been documented to live for more than 500 years, making them one of the longest-lived animals on Earth. Their ability to withstand environmental changes and their slow growth rate contribute to their impressive longevity. Ocean quahogs have become invaluable to researchers studying climate change and oceanography due to the information embedded in their shells. These hardy mollusks inhabit deep ocean sediments and are resilient in the face of changing environmental conditions. However, they face challenges from human activities, such as bottom trawling and harvesting for their meat, emphasizing the importance of sustainable practices to ensure the continued existence of these ancient bivalves and the valuable insights they provide into the history of our oceans. Animal number 2. Sponges and corals. Sponges and corals, while not individual animals in the traditional sense, are ancient and essential components of marine ecosystems that deserve recognition for their longevity and ecological significance. Certain species of deep-sea sponges are believed to be among the oldest living organisms on Earth, with some estimates suggesting ages of over 10,000 years. These simple multicellular organisms play vital roles in marine environments by filtering water, providing habitat for other marine life, and contributing to nutrient cycling. Corals, often forming expansive colonies in coral reefs, also display remarkable longevity. While individual coral polyps have relatively short lifespans, the structures they create can endure for centuries. Some massive corals, such as those belonging to the genus Porites, have been dated to be several centuries old. Coral reefs are biodiversity hotspots that support countless marine species, and their health is crucial for the overall well-being of ocean ecosystems. However, both sponges and corals are facing increasing threats from climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction, underscoring the need for conservation efforts to protect these ancient and vital components of the marine environment. Animal number 1. Immortal jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish, scientifically known as Turritopsis dohrnii, has gained fame for its extraordinary ability to seemingly defy the aging process. This small jellyfish, native to the Mediterranean Sea and certain other waters, possesses a unique biological trait called transdifferentiation. When faced with unfavorable conditions or physical damage, the immortal jellyfish can revert its cells to an earlier developmental stage, essentially transforming back into its juvenile form. This process allows the jellyfish to start its life cycle anew and has led scientists to dub it biologically immortal. The remarkable regenerative abilities of the immortal jellyfish have sparked interest in the scientific community and have implications for the study of aging and cellular processes. While the term immortal may be somewhat misleading, as these jellyfish are not truly immune to all threats, their ability to reset their life cycle sets them apart in the animal kingdom. The immortal jellyfish serves as a fascinating example of the diversity of life and the intriguing adaptations that have evolved in different species to cope with environmental challenges. And there you have it, fellow explorers, the top 10 world's oldest living animals. From the tortoises that have roamed the earth for centuries to the mysterious creatures of the deep, these living marvels remind us of the incredible resilience and mysteries of life. Join me for more awe-inspiring explorations and intriguing discoveries on the Robot Ray channel. If you found this video fascinating and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Robot Ray channel for more incredible explorations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on exploring.